I deprived them from entering the court.
Okay.
Because
they were staying where you are standing. They were standing where you are standing.
Wait. They were standing here.
Yes.
They were standing here. DSS was also here.
Okay.
You understand me? So what happened was that when the chairman came, chairman said that they were coming. I said, chairman, we will need your stalwarts. We don't want.
No, sir.
Wait,
Okay, sir. What issue was this? When we came, we met our chairman outside, and we decided to say what is good was much. We now approach our chairman, tell us how many people that follow you here. Eventually, they enter. When we were not coming out, we now noticed that there were some security,
private security,
over 50.
Here, from
yes. Standing with him. I have a video, chairman, please, I have a video. It was only 2 DSS men that were here. Then somebody now alerted us and told us that they belong to Asue. That was when we came, and we said these guys are not accredited security agencies. They should live here. And they said no.
How private?
So now, that's why we now said apart from the accredited security agencies, DSS, police, no any other security will stay at this door. That's it. And that's our stand. Please, answer for us to avoid crisis. These same security people, they are downstairs.
No,
I think, sir, hold on, please.
We
have to do the meeting by telling them to leave the premises. Because we are going down to meet them.
Listen.
And anything that happens, you people will be.
Listen.
I will say we don't want that. The only thing we are committed.
Bro, this man leave this man now. No, this man is looking for trouble.
What did the cop promises?
Pull off this account.
Where?
You don't account.
No comments. Aswe go be security, illegal security for where police at DSS there.
Mr. Heavy.
Police cannot do anything about doing this to self-help.
You are a youth leader. Tell you. I'm a tell you. Tell us. Carry your boss. Let the kind of boss go meet them from there.
Carry your people come out now. Let's go inside.